Before you let your kids dive into Genshin Impact, stop and think. Is it really safe for them? Many parents see its colorful world and anime style, but there's more beneath the surface. Today, we'll uncover whether Genshin Impact is truly child-friendly or not. Stay tuned till the end to know if this game deserves a spot in your kids' gaming time. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. It helps us reach more people like you. 1. The beautiful world of Teyvat. Genshin Impact's visuals are stunning, filled with lush forests, shining cities, and epic soundtracks. Kids often get drawn in by its magical fantasy world and charming characters. The game encourages exploration and puzzle solving rather than just fighting. It's easy to see why children love its adventure-filled gameplay. But beauty doesn't always mean safety. And that's what we'll uncover next. 2. Age rating and parental guidance. Genshin Impact is rated teen, 13+, by the ESRB. That means it may not be suitable for younger kids under 13. It includes mild fantasy violence and suggestive themes at times. Parents should always check these ratings before allowing kids to play. Guidance is key to ensuring a safe gaming experience. 3. Online interaction and chat features. Genshin Impact has limited online features, but it still allows co-op play. That means players can join others online to complete missions together. There's no full-text chat, but players can still communicate using messages. It's important to supervise who your child plays with online. Even small interactions can expose kids to unwanted communication. 4. Story depth and complex themes. The storyline involves gods, nations, and emotional conflicts. Some themes may be too complex or dark for very young audiences. The game touches on loss, betrayal, and revenge, mature ideas for children. Kids may not fully understand the moral depth behind the characters. Parents can help by discussing story elements together. 5. In-game purchases and gacha system. Genshin Impact uses a gacha system, similar to loot boxes. Players spend real or in-game currency for random rewards. This can encourage spending habits and create gambling-like behavior. Children might feel pressured to spend to get rare characters. Parents should monitor purchases or disable payment options. 6. Combat and violence level. The fighting in Genshin Impact is fantasy-based. No blood or gore. Characters use swords, bows, and magic to defeat monsters. While mild, the game still revolves around constant combat. Younger kids may imitate or misunderstand these actions. It's mild compared to shooter games but still needs guidance. 7. Character designs and costumes. Some characters wear revealing outfits or have adult-like designs. This aspect can be inappropriate for younger players. The anime style can sometimes mix innocent looks with mature presentation. Parents should review characters before kids start playing. Visual exposure matters, especially for impressionable children. 8. Time management and addiction risk. Genshin Impact rewards daily logins and long play sessions. That can lead kids to spend hours chasing rewards and levels. The open-world design makes it easy to lose track of time. Parents should set limits to balance playtime and rest. Moderation keeps gaming healthy and enjoyable. 9. Positive aspects for kids. Despite concerns, Genshin Impact offers problem-solving and exploration. It teaches resource management, strategy, and patience. The game's fantasy world can spark creativity and imagination. Playing with family can make it a safe bonding experience. With boundaries, it can be both educational and fun. 10. Final verdict. Is it child-friendly? Genshin Impact is suitable for teens but not ideal for very young kids. It's visually appealing and engaging but includes mature undertones. Parents should supervise gameplay, spending, and online contact. When monitored properly, it can be a rewarding adventure. So yes, Genshin Impact can be child-friendly with proper guidance.